Part 4. Rapid Cleaning. If the LED light is purple, it means it's time to clean your scanner. This applies to either a solid or a flashing purple light. Your device will continue operating normally in this state, although its performance may degrade over time if not addressed. To activate automatic cleaning mode, press the power button 3 times in a row with less than a second between presses. When you see a rapidly flashing purple light, insert the Digital Check cleaning card. The scanner will scrub the track automatically on the first pass. Reinsert the cleaning card several times, flipping it end over end or top to bottom on alternate passes. You can make as many as 8 to 10 passes while cleaning mode is running. When the light turns blue, the cleaning cycle is complete. Allow about 60 seconds for the scanner to dry before you resume using it. Dispose of the used card when you are finished. These are single-use cards that lose their cleaning properties after a few minutes. Visit www.digitalcheck.com for product information and training tips. Order supplies online at store.digitalcheck.com.